All right, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1. Do you
Yes.
work or study?
Sir, I have recently passed out from ComSerts University, Ahmedabad, as an electrical power engineer, and I'm currently working as a trainee engineer in Power Electronics, Pakistan.
Okay, what would you like to study in the future?
Sir, I would like to study MS to pursue my career in my field. Sir, basically, my I have some research-based projects in my BS studies, so I will pursue in these research-based projects in MS.
Okay, what's your favorite country apart from your own country?
Sir, I like Germany the most because as an electrical engineer, there are many industries, many automotive industries, and many instruments industries there. So I like to pursue my career
Okay,
there.
do you prefer to study alone or with a group of students or group of class fellows?
Sir, I would like to study in a group because sometimes I have some doubts. So in group studies, these doubts were cleared by my friends. So I would suggest to study in group.
All right, let's go on. Do you use latest technology while studying or for learning new things? Do you use social media or any other
Yes,
stuff
sir.
like that?
Sir, in last 2 semesters of my BS classes, they were online. So there I used many online tools to study to prepare and study for my projects and assignments and quizzes.
Okay, the first thing is you need to speak actively,
So,
right? The second thing is you need to elaborate your answer and try to add some more detail. And the final thing is focus your fluency. Okay, and that
okay,
will
sir.
come with practice actually.
Okay,
Okay,
okay, sir.
all right, thank you very much.